Adapter C is for X motors, X13 motors, and the original Evergreens, the Evergreens that have the designation AH, not the new Evergreens. It will allow you to test those motors in up to 5 different speeds. Let's talk about how we hook it up. You want to go to see the instructions on Adapter A to get all of the details on how you use an adapter in real time. The rest of these adapters, we're just going to show you the basic differences between those adapters so that you can understand how to use them. It also makes it so much easier to see how you do it when it's not in a furnace cabinet like Adapter A was. So this is your X13 motor. It's characterized by having a strange little heat sink area there, and usually a white or a black connector area that has 2 levels for connectors. If you can really zoom in on this, you'll see that the bottom row of connectors is a 5-pin connector, and that the quick connects that are built into it are actually 1/4-inch quick connects. The top row, because one of them is blocked off or not used, actually only has 4 connectors, and it has 1 1/4-inch quick connect and 3 3/16 connects. They're done that way to keep them from being the size that way to keep them from being accidentally crossed in real life and used improperly. On the connectors for the X13 motors, there's a barrier also, and that keeps you from putting the power strip in if you happen to accidentally plug this in incorrectly. Okay, so that barrier has to face away from the power strip. Adapter C is plugged in just by pushing it in tightly to there, hooking it up to your Universal Zebra Quick Connect harness, putting the power to the motor and to the Universal Zebra. This particular motor, according to its magnetic overlay, which comes with Adapter C, has 5 available speeds. Not every X13 or X motor has each one of those speeds programmed, but it can have up to 5 available speeds. So when the 5 wires that this connector brings in are each 1 discrete speed. This top connector, the 1/4-inch, is the common for each of those speeds. The other 3 connectors are for high voltage on the top line. So we're not going to actually energize this motor, because without a blower or a wheel connected, it would just speed up, slow down, speed up, and slow down, because without a load it can't sense what it's doing. But the magnetic overlay card tells you that there's 5 available speeds here. Speed 1, speed 2, speed 3, speed 4, and speed 5. That pretty much covers it for the X13 X motor and Evergreen AH adapter C. Thanks.